Fixed charge is X rupees. For kilometer charge is Y rupees. First he traveled only 10 kilometers. Suppose P person traveled A to B. A to B is 10 kilometers, but fixed charges first 3 kilometers is X rupees. Next remaining are 7 kilometers. Suppose X into 7y is equal to total amount is equal to how much is there? 166 rupees is there. P is equal to P person C to D traveled. How many kilometers is there? 15 kilometers is there. 15 km, 10 km. Fixed charge is 3 kilometers. Next remaining charge is 12 kilometers. This one is X plus 12y is equal to 256. Equation 1, equation 2. 2 minus 1 is equal to X plus 12y is equal to 256. X plus 7y is equal to 166. Subtraction. Cancel. 12y, 7y, 5y. 256 minus 166 is 90. Y is equal to 90 by 5. 5 1 ja, 5 18 ja. Y is equal to 18 rupees. Every kilometer is take the 18 rupees. For kilometer is equal to how much is there? For kilometer is equal to 18 rupees is there. But X plus 7y is equal to 166. But X plus 7 into y is equal to given that one 18. 166. X plus 18 7 ja. So 8 8 56. 7 1 just 7 8 56. 126 is equal to 166. X is equal to 166 minus 126 is equal to 40 rupees. Pass. Fixed charge amount is 40 rupees and for kilometer is equal to 18 rupees. But find out the 25 kilometers. How much? 25 kilometers is equal to how much? X plus 22y into is equal to X is equal to this one is X, this one is Y. X is equal to 18 plus 22 into 40. 18 fixed is equal to 40 is equal to X, kilometer is equal to Y. X is equal to 40 plus Y is equal to 22 into Y 18. 40 plus 8 2 ja 36, 8 2 ja 36, 396 is equal to 36 amount. Total 25 kilometers he paid. 25 kilometers paid 436 rupees charge.